Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Merrick Makings. We are doing the mini catalogue for it is a Christmas theme. I have used the Traditions of Christmas, which has these fabulous traditional colours in amongst it, and I am using the DSP to make a fun fold. This one actually does fold flat, but stands up perfectly on its own. And I have used this really heavily gold foiled DSP to go with it. So the base and all the other dimensions are on the bottom of the screen. I had to redo the voiceover, which is very frustrating for me, who's already almost got to the end and my microphone decided to stop working. So that was a bit of a pain. So if my my recording on this is a little bit different than normal, it's because I've had to go back into my AirPods for this until I can get a new microphone. So this one here, just do those 4 score lines and then fold it so that you get the base part. And then it's really quite simple. We just put 2 of the side panels and the front as the red side, and the beautiful back side of this DSP is a very generic old olive colour on your DSP. So that's lots of fun, and you don't have to shuffle amongst different sheets of DSP. It's literally just one piece, and by flipping it over you get the 2 colours. Like I said before, this does stand up on its own, and this particular DSP I thought would be too busy, but once it's on here, it actually really is very, very pretty. I am using the Spotlight on Nature dies. I really like these ones. I'm going to create a focal piece for that center center section of the card, and I'm going to layer up. I'm going to do old olive first with a very small white border as well, and then a real red as our last one. It just makes it sort of the red doesn't stand out so much, but when it's all folded and everything, it's quite pretty. To embellish this, I am embossing the word Season's Greetings using my gold embossing. Now I have to say, this little tiny container of gold embossing powder is getting too old. It was just a little pack that I had picked up before I discovered the WOW ones that Stampin' Up have now. So I do go and off video melt that one as well. Now, you have watched me video many times before, so I do make sure that that video is quick. Like I speed it right up so that it's not too boring to watch. But you can see how I add layer after layer, and that is how you get your dimension. So you use your lighter and darker colors and sort of add your shades, your shadows with one color, and then add a lighter one over the top, and it blends beautifully. So this suite has 2 stamp sets. One is, it's a bundle. So one is a mainly, it is all sentiment stamps, and the other one is all images. So that makes it interesting. It just means lots and lots of variety. So I do use some ink blending also on the edges of those cute die banners. And then it's really coming together really quickly. Now, what I did love, which I didn't see in the catalogue, but these beautiful big branches, they add a lot of dimension, even though they're flat. So that's perfect for for a card like this. You don't want to over embellish it because it already has a lot of the foiling on it. So this comes together really quickly. I know I say that for everything, but this one does. Once you've got your elements set up, use those dimensional dots and start layering. So we've got the circles, which have the branches behind, and then we have this floral, and then we have our sentiment banner as well. This one here, I have to admit, I had like a gold foil bow, which is a part of the die set, and I just didn't quite sit, so it didn't make the final cut on the finished card. I did finish off with some iridescent foil gems, which I absolutely love. I need another packet of those, and some Stella Wink of Stella. Oh my goodness, Wink of Stella adds a bit of shimmer and brightens up those colours a little bit too. And then that pretty much is finished. Please make sure you pop over to the other videos that everybody else has joined the hop for. Make sure you leave a comment for everybody, and they feel the love. Lots and lots of inspiration. There is plenty of room at the back of this the card too, with a piece of white cardstock. And that's about it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure you are liking and subscribing my videos, and we will catch you next time. Bye bye.